Now, stop playing with it. Right.
Welcome to Leadery Logan. Today we are doing a video
On Bloomers No Plus Grow. They are a magically growing vegetable kit. And we got tomato, I know that's what it says. Tomato, and we have crunchy carrot, and they have other varieties like rutabaga or something, or radish, I don't know. But this is what we're doing today. So, the instructions ask you to get a 4-quart or larger bowl. We're using 5-quart bowls. It's okay, they don't need to see your faces. Also, 2 cups of water. So we got 2 bowls, I can use 4 cups of water. So the first thing we do, besides trying to stay on our step stool, take it out of the box. Now this is a growing bag. I've done a bloom bag review, and this bag feels
a bloom bag. I've never seen you do a bloom bag review.
Because I try to grow potatoes in it. This feels more like felt. It's not as thick as the bloom bag, or not as stiff as the bloom bag. So it's supposed to last at least 2 years because you can reuse the dirt. This is empty.
Oh, so the stuff is inside the bag.
Hold on. Whoop.
Oh, mine fell on the ground. Wait,
Hold on. All right, so we take that. Let's put this off to the side.
Oh, it didn't.
All right. So the instructions are on the back of this box, which inside contains a plastic little holder to put the bag on once you get it all ready. And that goes apart like that. Like
Oh my God!
Things just keep falling out, huh? What's that? Oh, that's just the top part.
Come on, Daddy.
So that came apart like that on the bottom. There we go. We got 2 things. So, first thing instruction says is to open the expanding soil package. So let's take our bag and put it outside our pot.
Daddy, can we take our
You can take your jackets off. That's fine. So let's put our bag outside. Let's hold your soil bag.
Why did Mommy think we were going outside?
Because you did go outside. You went to get your shovels.
Oh, yeah. Mommy needs something to make her stress go away when she has it.
I don't know what that is. All right, so what we have here, it says to take the dirt and put it in our bowl. So I'm gonna, looks like it's just stapled on here. It even has more instructions on the bag itself. So there's your dirt is open.
Do I pour it into the bowl?
Pour it in the bowl.
Whoa, it's busting.
There's your dirt. There's your dirt. All right, careful. Make sure you get all of it in there.
I would like to learn to cook one day.
Well, this isn't cooking, but similar.
You know it's similar.
All right. Well, because we're doing ingredients and we're needing instructions. Don't worry about that. All right. Now we're going to do 2 cups of water. So take your shovel that you got.
Shovel?
All right. So here's 1 cup for you.
Hey, what's that?
And 2 cups. All right. slowly spin that, mix that dirt in with the water. All right, slowly. Don't do it too fast or you'll make a big mess. There you go. Make sure the dirt gets all in, so it turns from the light color brown to the dark color brown.
Mine's still light colored.
Yeah, see, that's why you mix it around.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, just keep on mixing it.
Hey!
Let me help Ella here. That's the wrong one. Use this one. Yeah. It looks like the dirt has expanded with the water, so I bet this has some coconut core in it. Because that stuff.
This smells yucky.
Yeah, it smells yucky.
Is this cow manure?
No, it's not cow manure.
It's just regular garden dirt. Mine's
All
already
right.
mixed.
All right, so we got that mixed up.
How come Catherine has more than me?
I think it's because yours hasn't mixed up yet. Here, let me. It just expanded. That's all.
I'm still mixing mine up.
Yeah, but you should have the same amount, so don't worry about it. Don't mix too fast. Just make a mess. Use that big spatula to mix. All right. All right. So we've already placed the lollipot into the plastic drip tray provided.
Lollipop.
Lollipot. So this is, whoops.
Oh.
So we're putting the
lollipop thing.
the pot itself.
The pot.
All right, so taking the pot, and putting it into the plastic drip tray. Nope, leave the pop alone. We're not doing that yet. Good. I already had you set up, Dean, so I don't know why you moved. All right, come on. All right. Now, very carefully. All right, so you don't actually do first is to scoop the dirt into your lollipop. Leave the pops up here. Actually, let's do this, guys. You're gonna make a big mess. So.
Oh, I can do it.
Then do it over your bowl because you just dumped a bunch of dirt.
I'm doing it.
You don't want to lose any dirt.
I'm doing it, Daddy. Put it close to your bowl.
Yeah, just put the lip over the bowl there. That way you won't. Here, watch me.
Can you hold it for me?
Here, let's do this. Let's put the lip over the bowl. And that way you can don't scoop too much dirt. Just little bits of dirt at a time.
You have to fill it all the way to the top.
You got to put all the dirt in there. Yes. Don't just.
Hey, Daddy, when will I be able to learn to cook?
What do we say? 8 years old? Hey, you know, if you start cooking,
19.
No, 19's like forever now. You better learn how to cook before you're 19.
Why?
Because you're an adult by the time you're 19. Hey, careful, guys, you're spilling over. Don't lose your dirt.
I'm almost to the top.
I am almost 8.
Yes, you are almost 8. So you need to learn to cook, and that means you need to learn to eat other food.
Yep, or you'll be the only grown-up that doesn't want to try any new foods.
Just stop it. This is embarrassing.
Well, you're the one brought it up.
I want to talk about me not doing this. Just stop it.
Okay.
I'm scraping it off of the sides.
All right, let me help you out here.
Okay.
You need to scrape it off of the sides so it doesn't stick.
Don't worry, we'll wash our pots.
How come Catherine has not getting any help?
I'll get her. I will get her some help here in a moment, as soon as she gets a little bit closer, right?
Why does this dirt not feel like dirt?
Because it's not dirt.
Wait, what? This is not dirt? What
It's
is
not
it
all
then?
dirt. Like I said, it's this coconut fiber, the coconut core.
What?
Ooh, it Feels nice.
All right. That was a good job. All right. Let me get your sister finished up here. All right. So get your tray over here. We got a little bit of the mess. We'll do that later.
La 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 la
Let me see
la
your-
la la
let me see
la
yours.
la.
Here. All right, Catherine. Let me. Let's just-
That's what I
Good.
wanted to do.
Mine is actually big.
There.
All right. Get your fingers out of the dirt.
This feels so good.
Stop doing that with your fingers. Get out. All right.
Can I go wash my hands?
Not yet.
Let's clean them up with our hands.
All right. So next, we got the pot in the little plastic container. And now we're going to place the veggie pop into the soil with about a quarter of the pop above the soil line.
What's the veggie pot?
And it gives you a little instruction, kind of a look at how to do that.
This is the veggie.
All right, can you guys get that undone? Do you need Dad's help with that? Here, wait. Let's try something real quick.
Is the veggie pop connected to the stick?
That's what makes it a pop, right? Popsicle, lollipop.
Veggie pop.
Are you getting it now?
Yeah, veggie pop because it looks like a lollipop and it's a gross veggie thing. Whatever.
Can't get all
Alright,
of the
there you go.
tape off.
Yeah, let me get that off. That tape definitely needs a knife to remove. All right, tape's off.
The tape isn't off.
Well, I cut it, so you should be able to unravel your.
What is this thing you've been?
Careful. There you go, Dean.
Why? How did Dean get hit?
There you go, Catherine.
So next,
All right, stick it there in the middle of your pot.
do you dig
No,
a
no,
hole?
don't dig a hole. All right, that's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's a little bit too far in.
I want to do it all by
Well,
myself.
I know you're doing it fine, but you put it in a little bit too far. That's all. Let's stick it in just a little bit. All right. Okay, now stop playing with it. All right, now I'll let you do this one at a time. Pour the water directly on the stick, okay?
How do we do this exactly?
Yeah, there you go. Pour it right down the stick. This is 1 cup of water. We're pouring right down the stick.
This is
Now when you guys water this later, you probably should do the same way, okay?
okay.
And you're supposed to water it 2 times a week. If you put it out in too much sun, you'll probably have to water it more 2 times a week. And then when the plants start growing, and you water it
3.
more, probably every day.
Ah. My fishy. My veggie pop is so cute.
Okay, careful, guys. All right, Dean, that's enough. Just leave it alone.
What are we doing for veggie pops now? Is there any more instructions?
Instructions are now is that we will go put them out in the sunshine. Where do you guys think we ought to put them?
Near your garden box, probably.
That's probably a good idea.
Yeah.
Let's put that one down just a little.
Probably near the dirt thingy.
How about we put you think we can put them on the
On the garden
corner
box.
on the garden box. Would you stop putting your fingers on it? You need to stop putting your fingers on it.
Yeah, I think we could put it on the garden box.
All right. Then we will do that. We'll put them next to the garden box just so they don't blow over. 'Cause I don't think that's not very much, but it might stay up. We'll see how it goes. All
Let's
right.
just leave it in this just in case.
Well, we're gonna leave it in that,
Okay, what if something knocks it over?
like the cat. Well, we'll stick it in front of the garden box, okay?
Okay.
We'll get plenty of sun right there.
If Tagaby comes in, can you just get her out?
All right, we won't worry about the cat.
Okay.
All right, so what did you guys think about this? Was this easy to do?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. I know you.
Actually, on this side.
All right, guys. Say thanks for.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks
Leisurely Logan.
All right. You can try to. Go ahead and say it.
Thanks for watching Leisurely Logan.
That's exciting.
Thanks for watching Leisurely Logan.
All right, okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.